Hello, I'm fixing everything. Let's do today a little unboxing of this soldering iron. I think it costs around £35. The exact model is 61478. It's nice and heavy. Earthed tip for static sensitive components, variable temperature control, handle has comfort grip, includes tip cleaning, sponge and stand. Brilliant. Feels nice and strong, that's good. Let's feel the cable and see how long the cable is. Around a meter long cable. Definitely a little bit on the hard side. This is nice and solid. The inside feels nice and solid as well. I'll just make this one wet. Alright. Plug this one in. And we'll see if it melts solder. Unfortunately, I can't say there is the temperature control. There is maximum and minimum. There isn't degrees, so I can't exactly say what is the exact degree. Switch it on, put it to the maximum, and I got some flux cord solder, which is lead free, 1.2 millimeters, 100 grams. It doesn't have no temperature rated, but we'll see if it's melting it. I can definitely smell the tip. It's not sizzling yet, so it needs a little bit more time. Maybe. I still not reached the temperature to melt the solder. Needs maybe a little bit more time. It's getting hot. It's just not very quick. So if you expect to be quick, this is not quick at all. Let's see what it says here. 40 watts. To 40 watts. Then it's from 150 to 420 degrees. So the minimum is 150 Celsius, maximum 420 Celsius, which is extremely high if you ask me. And does it say what tips he's working with? It doesn't, but that's the tip that it's working with. Anyway, let's try again. And there we go, it's working now, perfect. Oh, it's melting. It's melting the solder nicely. So yeah, now that's it. I really hope this video is helpful to you. I don't know what else we can test. It definitely got plenty of power. Other than that, it's not very quick. Depending on the tip is going to be the quality of the soldering as well. So that's it from this one, very solid. It sits in place nicely. Now I'll do some soldering on this board. Now that's it. I hope the video has been helpful to you, and I'll